Now here in this question they have given if 25 to the power n minus 1 plus 100 equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1, then find the value of n. So how are we going to solve this? First of all, we have to write this given equation. Then this 25, we can break this 25 as 5 square, right? And this n minus 1 was already there to the power of 25, so it will just become multiplied with 2, right? So it will become somewhat like this: 5 square, that means 5 square is 25, into n to the power minus 1, plus 100, we will write it as it is, equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1, as it is we will write. Now let us solve this part. We will write 5, then 2 into n, that is 2n, minus 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 100 equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Now let us skip 100 this side, as here in this side 100 is in the positive form. So let us keep 100 in this side. Then 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Then this part, that means this part, 5 to the power 2n minus 2. This is having what plus sign here. If we are taking this to the opposite side of the equal to sign, so it will become minus. So minus 5 2n minus 2, right? Now the next step, 100, we will write 100 equal to, now here we have to take the common terms. So how can we take that common term? For the numbers, we are having 5 and 5. So for the numbers, if we have to take out the common term, then we have to find out the HCF of the numbers. So the HCF of 5 and 5 is 5. So we will write 5. Now we will take the we will find out the power which will come out as common term. So how can we find out that? See, for the power, the first power we are having 2n minus 1, and the second power we are having 2n minus 2. So whichever is the lowest power, that one we have to take out as common. So between 2n minus 1 and 2n minus 2, 2n minus 2 is the lowest one, because minus 2 is lower than or smaller than minus 1. So 2n minus 2 will be the lowest power here, and it will go as the common term, so it will go outside. That means 5 to the power 2n minus 2. Then we'll put one into sign, then we'll start the bracket. Now we know here, after we have taken out the common term, then we can remember one rule, that is given term by common term. Given term by common term. This you can do it at the rough. So what is the given term here? Given term is, which is in our question. What is the given question means? The from where we have taken out the common term. That expression is our given terms. So we have taken out the common from this line. So 5 to the power 2n minus 1 is our given term by common term. What we have taken out? 5 to the power 2n minus 2. Now we see, we will apply the law of exponent here, that the bases are same and this is division sign, so the powers will get subtracted. So it will become 5 to the power 2n minus 1 minus, and we will put a bracket 2n minus 2. Why bracket here? Because we are subtracting both these terms, 2n minus 2 from this 2n minus 1. So we will put this 2n minus 2 term within a bracket. Now 5 to the power 2n minus 1, and as this is a minus sign here, so this minus will get multiplied with the terms inside the bracket, so it will become minus 2n plus 2. So here what it will be? 5 to the power, now see, plus 2n and minus 2n will get cancelled. So minus 1 plus 2. So it will become 5 to the power. Minus 1 plus 2 is only 1. That means 5 to the power 1 means only 5. So we will write 5 here. Now which sign we are having here? Minus. So we will give minus sign here. Now again the same thing. Given term by common term. So what is the given term? The next term is 5 to the power 2n minus 2. So let us write here 5 to the power 2n minus 2 by what is the common term? Common term is will be the same, 5 to the power 2n minus 2. Now over here what we can do? We don't need to solve it anymore because the terms, both the terms are over here the same, right? So this and this will get cancelled, so we will get 1. So we will write 5 minus 1. Clear? Now the next one. Now we can write 100 equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 2. 2n minus 2 into 4. Now let us write 5 to the power 2n minus 2, then 100 divide by 4. Why it will become 100 divided by 4? Because this 4 was in multiplication sign, had the multiplication sign. We are taking this multiplied by 4 to the opposite side of the equal to sign, so it will become by 4, divide by 4. Now see, it will get cancelled, it will get reduced to lowest term. 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100, right? So we can write here 25 equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 2. Okay. Now again what we can do, 25 we can write it as base 5, right? With the base 5, that means 5 square, it is 25. 5 5s are 25. So in place of 25 we can write 5 square equal to, this will remain the same, 5 to the power 2n minus 2. Now see, the bases are same on both the sides, so what we can do, we will just equate the power. So we can write this line that we can equate the power, we can equate the powers since the bases are same. Since the bases are same, right? Okay, now we can write it in this way, 2n minus 2 equals to 2. We will just equate the powers. What are the powers? This one 2n minus 2 and the other one is 2. So we will just equate the power on both the sides. Okay, and you can just add something to this line, that we can equate the power since the bases are same on both sides. Same on both sides. Okay. Now 2n equals to, this side we will keep the 2 here. Now this minus 2 will go to that side, so it will become plus 2. So I am continuing it here in this side. So 2n equals to 2 plus 2 4. That means n equals to, what we can do, n equals to, it will become 4 by 2, right? Why by 2? Because you see here 2n, that means 2 was in the multiplication form, so it will go to that side, so it will become by 2, right? So here it will be n equals to 4 by 2, that means it will be only 2, right? So n is equals to, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so n equals to 2. So this is my answer, that the value of n is 2. Okay, so Like this we can do this sum.